Ever buy a bonsai, stare at it for 5 minutes and think, okay, now what? Don't worry, we've all done the bonsai panic stare. But here's the good news. If you get these next three things right, your soil, your light, and your watering, you're 80% of the way to bonsai bliss. No fancy gear, no monk-level discipline. Just real basics, made really simple. This channel's slowly turning into a little bonsai garden of its own. If you want to help shape it, the subscribe button is just over there to become a family member. So here we go. 3 bonsai basics you should master before touching a pair of scissors. Are you guilty of mistake number 3? Let me know in the comments. Okay, soil first. If your tree's living in standard potting mix, it's basically wearing a wool sweater in a sauna. Bonsai soil needs to drain properly. Think crunchy granola, not soggy cereal. You want the roots to breathe. Oxygen is like espresso for roots. If your soil stays wet for too long, you're not watering a bonsai. You're creating a swamp exhibit. Now, watering. And this one hurts to say, most people kill their tree with love. They water daily even when the tree's screaming, "Please, I'm full." Instead, do the finger test. Touch the soil. If it's dry, water it. If it's damp, back away slowly like you're in a wildlife documentary. When you do water, soak it fully. None of this polite drizzle stuff. You want water to run out the bottom like a mini waterfall. The roots like a good drink, not a sprinkle. Next week, I'm diving into how to develop thinner, more refined styling techniques. So if you want to take your tree to the next level, hit that button. All right, light. And this one might ruffle some leaves. Putting your bonsai on a dark bookshelf because it looks cute is like putting your goldfish on a windowsill and wondering why it's not swimming. Your bonsai needs light, real light. For indoor trees, think south-facing windows or a grow light with attitude. For outdoor bonsai, morning sun is gold. Afternoon shade is your tree's nap time. Radical root pruning at the seedling stage, genius move or total gamble? Tell me in the comments. Final tip. When choosing a bonsai pot, don't just think cute container. If your tree's still young or in training, it actually needs a bit more space to grow. A shallow pot comes later, once the roots are more refined and the shape is closer to finished. For now, pick a pot with good depth, plenty of drainage holes, and room for the roots to stretch out. Think of it like giving your tree a bigger pair of shoes while it's still growing into them. That's it. That's the basic kit. Soil that breathes. Water only when it's time. Light that actually reaches the leaves. Get those right, and your bonsai will start to ask you for shaping. You'll see new growth, perkier leaves, and suddenly it's not a mysterious little tree. It's a relationship. If you've stuck around this long, we're a fan of yours too. We're sending you 2 Good Vibe Bonsai Barn bonus points that your trees will soak up and turn into pure awesomeness. See you next time.